3 days. It's a long time.
Wow, that is a long time.
I'm coming.
Hey, buddy.
What's the time that there? It's coming to my 4th day now.
Good morning. I'm currently up in Byron Bay, one of my favorite places in the entire world. And for obvious reasons. You can just hear birds and nature completely connected and at one with the earth. And the people and the culture around Byron are just beautiful. I'm currently staying 20 minutes from the center of Byron, up towards the hinterland, or in the hinterland, at a place called the Perch. So it's one of the Byron Bay Abodes. Yes, good morning. Woke up bright and early. The sunrise was insane. And then I've just been meditating, moving my body, doing a little bit of yoga, and had a little coffee. I've started drinking coffee. That's a new addition to my life. And I wanted to show you around because this is just a beautiful property and I want you to be able to experience it one day as well perhaps. So I'll show you all around so that you can see what it's like, and then if you would like I'll put the Airbnb link in the description so that you can find it and maybe, who knows, book it for yourself one day as well. Yeah, I'll show you around. I came down to check out the pool, so I'll show you the pool first and then we'll walk up to the house. So in this is actually an indoor pool, which is really cool, and it echoes. Do you want to hear some ASMR of my foot in the water? Close up the pool. Outside the pool is this little fire pit, and this over here is the driveway that goes all the way down to the road. And then up here is the main house. So I'll take you up. So we have this cute little shed. You can't get in it, it's just for storage for them, I think for like cleaning and stuff. So you just park out the front here, and then this is the main house just in front of you, and over here is a little perch. So you walk across the fairy cobblestones. Is this not one of the most beautiful, serene places to exist? And then if we look back over here, this is our little perch with a really cute swing. So if you have, the main house only has one bedroom upstairs, it's a loft. And so if you have more than one couple or one person here, you can open up this one as well, and book it separately or have it in addition. And then the bed's in there, which I think I might be able to show you through the window. I haven't actually seen whether I can open this up yet. Yeah, and then I think there's just a little bit of a living room in there. And there's our beautiful swing. And then from here, we come up towards the main house. Up the little fairy garden again. Isn't this just stunning? All the way up onto the front porch, the porch of the Perch. So I kind of just sat up here this morning, overlooking this. So serene. They've got cute little games as well and lots of seating areas so that you can entertain. I might actually try do this by myself later, just out of curiosity. So then as we step through, mind the mess that I've created on the table, but there is a beautiful big table here. For entertaining in winter, it would be amazing to put the fireplace on. This big comfy couch, a TV if that's your thing. It's not my thing when I go to any kind of place, but yeah, it's definitely there if that's what you prefer. Really high, beautiful wood ceilings. And then there's up top, I'll go show you, but the bedroom and a little single room and or a dressing room is what I kind of use it as. A big full-size kitchen with these amazing windows that open out completely out onto the beautiful view and the deck. And then if you look back this way, there's also this amazing, huge mirror. Good morning. So I've put on my activewear. I'm going to be filming some yoga videos. And yeah, oh, actually, you know what? I wanted to show you more. When you first get in, how beautiful is this? They have local macadamias, spray-free macadamias here for you with a little hello message. So this is the Byron Beach Abodes, which is where I'm staying, or the Byron Abodes. More ASMR. They're so beautiful. Wow. And then you crush them with this, so it's like a twisty thing. I couldn't help but have one yesterday when I first got in. But the other thing is that they have everything that you could possibly need, plus more. So they've got all your saucepans and pans, big stovetop, even like containers and stuff, which I feel like, and like huge salad bowls, which I feel like at Airbnbs, they often miss stuff, but nothing's missed here. You got all your plates and cups. They even had fresh herbs out for me, freshly picked and in fresh water, like that, just like this. I've already used the kitchen, but they've got everything that you need under here. And then we've got a toaster and a blender. Brilliant. Kettle, coffee maker with the coffee pods and tea and sugar, as well as a microwave and even a deep fryer or an air fryer. How cool is that? And then you've got the cute mugs under here and like a cutlery plate, some more ceramics, and then under here is picnic rugs so that you can have a little picnic set up. And then in here, it even comes with Cards Against Humanity, so I love this place already. A charger, amazing. Wi-Fi codes and stuff, a little place to wash things and then hang them out if you're like me and you spill coffee on everything. Other little cups and little trinkets up top. And then the cupboards are all like a push, and again, you've got everything that you could possibly think of and need all the way down. And then the fridge, this is my stuff, but it did come with fresh, local, spray-free avocados in here for me, which I love. And even like a little, they give you a bottle of wine, a bottle of milk, and there is a soda poppy thing as well. So they've given you a cold bottle of that, which is cool. This is called Soda Stream. Soda Stream is back. And then we'll go out and I will show you upstairs. Oh, there's also a really cute bathroom. Hold your hats, kids, hold your hats. Isn't this adorable? It's so cute, an actual like old school bathtub. I got water everywhere because I didn't know how to use a shower curtain. We've never had a shower curtain. We always just have like, I don't know, metal or glass there. It's such a cute little bathroom, and the acoustics in here at night are beautiful. It comes with speakers as well, and they all connect. So there's one here, there's one upstairs, and there's two out here in the living room. So yeah, that's our cute little bathroom as well. And by our, I mean mine. And then you go up the little loft stairs into that gorgeous light. You get a little view downstairs into the kitchen and the living room. And then this over here. So I don't obviously have anyone else here, so I don't need to use this. But if you did have like kids or something, or just a third friend or something, they can sleep here. It is a full-size bed or a single bed. And if not, I use it as the dresser. Cute curtain, and even lights or windows up the top. A little bit of extra light and sunlight in here. I love this window. And then there's a bed, the comfiest bed ever. I bought my own pillow too, and I was like, it's so comfy, I don't even need it. But I just woke up and the sun was rising over there. Fully private as well, like there is no one around. This is house goals. So that is kind of it. This is definitely house goals if there ever was one. I would love to live somewhere like this. 20 minutes to Byron Bay, to the beach. Very private and isolated, and just so connected and deeply rooted in nature. And with everything that you could possibly need. So there's that too. Yeah, so I will link in the description the Perch, which is where I'm staying, and where you can find it and maybe book it as well. And who knows, maybe you should not book it so that I can come back more often. Maybe even live here forever. Okay? Okay. I'll take it. Right, I'm off to go and film some yoga videos for you. I love you and leave you. Bye.